Astros third baseman Alex Bregman tripled to lead off the sixth inning against the Rockies Wednesday. Then he didn't. The umpires overturned the call on review, which was ultimately ruled fan interference, and an out which took away a runner on third base with no outs for the Astros. Bregman did not agree with the call. "There is no possible way that a left fielder jumping back into a wall is guaranteed to make a catch," he told reporters via MLB.com. "It changed the whole game. Bregman triples, fan interference, out." Full video in our Facebook group. Join here https://t.co/mlus7rb6wypic.twitter.com/6 Jenkins, Stros Nation, @Stros Nation, July 26, 2018. On the play after Bregman's overturned triple, J. D. Davis grounded out at the middle. In theory, had Bregman been on base, he would have scored. Houston would finish the game with one hit. It lost 3-2 on a walk-off, ninth inning homer by Charlie Blackmon. Bregman had more thoughts. Read this http://images.performgroup.com/die/library/undersport/df/37/all2those news Getty FTR1SBLBYIBGORV014XOL80XYBR83 JPGT equals 1,943,203,411 and W equals 178. Jose Altuve leaves game with right knee discomfort. Thomas thought it was a F joke and they should be ashamed of themselves, he said, via the Houston Chronicle. Obviously the guy has never played baseball before in his life, the guy in charge of whoever made that decision. Alex Bregman was seething. And his triple that was overturned by a fan interference call. pic.twitter.com PKRHWL7M8I, Chandler Rome, @ChandlerRome, July 26, 2018.